Hello everyone. Do you know the uses of hyperlink in Excel? What is hyperlink? The hyperlink function creates a shortcut that jumps to another location in the current workbook, or opens a document stored on a network server, an intranet, or the internet. Let's explore with an example to create hyperlink in Excel. Using Ctrl+K, we could activate hyperlink window. We could use the hyperlink for 4 different purposes. Number 1, existing file or web page. To open file from specific folder or to open any web page. Number 2, place in this document, which helps to select specific range, cell or sheet in current workbook. Number 3, new document. Helps to create the document. Number 4, email address. Helps to send the emails to specific recipient. Let's see the examples on each options. This hyperlink could be enabled on cells, range and images. Hyperlink to open existing file. We could open multiple workbooks from various paths, which helps to avoid manual efforts. Hyperlink to open web page. We could open web page from Excel workbook, don't need to type the URL in web portal. Place in this document. To select any specific range, or cells, or sheet. We could set the hyperlink and we could reduce the manual efforts. By using this icon, I am able to select home sheet, without using the scroll button. Hyperlink to create new document. We could create the document into desired folder, which helps to avoid manual efforts. Hyperlink to draft email address. We are able to open blank email from workbook to draft email. Recipient would be picked automatically. We will show you how to set the hyperlinks on each option. Stay connected to know more Excel and Excel functions. Spend 2 minutes every day and learn more. See you again.